So this is my first experience at the Manufacturing Summit, first time I've been invited. It's a very essential one for industry in South Africa, especially not just automotive, where we've heard, but manufacturing as a whole. What has been presented is very informative, and it will help support manufacturing in the African continent. So smart manufacturing is foundational. If I had to put it in context, that's to get to your customer's table. It's before negotiations with the customer on price. If you don't have sustainable practices, you're not even welcomed at the table. So it's absolutely essential for South Africa and African manufacturing to start thinking about sustainability, and the key tools in sustainability is smart manufacturing. From just looking at the audience and the context of the audience, we need to do more manufacturing. I think government has a big role in actually getting manufacturing to a point where we can make it more sustainable for entrepreneurs to actually start manufacturing some of the products.